Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss the topic biological indicators. So first of all we see the contents. Here contents. First of all introduction, classification, then characteristics, then advantages and then disadvantages. So here first of all we discuss introduction. The term bioindicators refers to any organisms, species, communities or biological processes which help to qualitatively monitor the status of the environment in which they live. Bioindicators provide information about the health of an ecosystem owing to their high sensitivity to any variation in their environment and thus are helpful in monitoring any changes. Generally, they are designed to as species which respond to anthropogenic impacts on environment. Bioindicators help in the assessment of the quality of the environment and how it changes. Various species such as animals, algae, lichens, and other microorganisms can act as bioindicators. Human hair and nail can also be act as bioindicators. They play an important role in nature conservation by determining the process of mitigate measures. Bioindicators provide adequate and reliable information. Then I discuss characteristics of bioindicators. So, here characteristics. It should be widely distributed and highly abundant. It should be site specific, highly sensitive and cost effective. It should have restricted mobility along with a low genetic and ecological variability. It should accumulate and concentrate the toxin. Its sampling, sorting as well as storage should be simple. It should have an environmental significance. Then I discuss classification of bioindicators. Bioindicators are classified into different categories on the basis of aim of bioindication, application of bioindicators, according to International Union of Biological Sciences. So, I discuss on the basis of aim of bioindication. On the basis of bioindicators, there are four types: early warning bioindicators, compliance bioindicators, diagnostic bioindicators, accumulation bioindicators. Then I discuss on the basis of application. Here there are also four types on the basis of applications. These are environmental bioindicators, ecological bioindicators, biodiversity bioindicators, pollution bioindicators. On the basis of International Union of Biological Science, there are six types of bioindicators. First is microbiology, then botany, zoology, cell biology, comparative physiology, hydrobiology. These are six bioindicators on the basis of International Union of Biological Science. Then I discuss advantages of bioindicators. There are many advantages of bioindicators. Here I present some of these. These are relevant as well as reliable agents, cost effective, easy to interpret, susceptible to less ambiguity, feasible, simple as well as repetitive. Then I discuss disadvantages. Presence of sufficient number of individuals of the indicator species at a given locality. Sufficient information about the physiological processes of the uptake and accumulation of toxic substances in the indicators. Thank you.